Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. So, all of us are too excited to celebrate Christmas with our family. And oftentimes, we hear the word Star ng Pasko. So today, we are going to explore the world of stars. We are going to investigate on star. So for you to know us, so my name is Romeo and Mariano.
I am Gerald Tukay.
And this morning, we are your investigators. So for introduction, a star is created by connecting 6 equally spaced points in a circle, where each point is joined to another point that is a specific number of points away in a clockwise direction. So this relationship is represented as an ordered pair such as 6-2. So indicating that the points are spaced evenly and each point is connected to another 2 points away. So in this investigation, we explore the various shapes that can be formed by altering the number of points away that are connected. So each of 6 equally spaced points on the circle has been joined to a point that is 2 points away from it in a clockwise direction. So the result can be called a 6-2 figure. So equally spaced point in a circle can be joined by chords in various ways. So our stage 1 would be the preliminary skirmishing. So
Number 1, if we connect 6 equally spaced points in a circle of clockwise direction, what kind of figure will draw? What if we connect them clockwise instead? Number 2, is there a pattern, and if so, what are the pattern to determine the predict figure that will be drawn?
So first, let us consider the following illustration. So the figure drawn are the following. The first one is the circle. Second one is hexagon, star, and the last figure drawn is a wheel-like. So also, we need to consider the number of chords formed. So for circle, for hexagon, for star, and for wheel-like. So as you can see in circle, we have no chords, and for hexagon, we have 6 chords, and for star, 6 chords also, and for wheel-like, we have 5 chords. So first, we need to convert words to illustration. So translating mathematical concept in terms into figure. So in the case of the investigator, they convert NP in figure which can be form different shapes such as circle, hexagon, star, and wheel-like figure. So the next one is break problem into step. The next one is look for patterns. So our stage 2 would be explore systematically. So the first is gathering of data and looking for patterns. So the first is the investigator tested different numbers for the points away in the NP to see what figure will be drawn from it. So we started as your investigator from 0 to 30. So as you can see here, when P is 0, we can create a circle figure. If P is 1, we can create a hexagon. So how it forms? So from this one, so we will going to connect this point, 1 point to its neighbor. So the neighbor of this point will be this point. So if we're going to connect the 6 point equal distance with 1 distance, so we can create a hexagon. For this one naman, if the P is 3 or the points away, so this point is the starting point. We're going to connect into its 3 distance points. So for the 6 4, so when the 4 evenly equal distance point is connected, so we can create a wheel-like. So and so on. So we tested when the points away is 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 or 8. So if we're going to connect the points 8 to its 8 points, so we can create a star. So and so on and so forth. So for looking for patterns, so for circle naman po, as we can observe here that the circle only form when P plus 6 or when the points is equal to 6 and then 6 plus 6 plus 6, so we can create a circle. So for hexagon naman, so if the P is equal to 4 and then P plus 4 plus 2 alternate the 4 and 2, so we can create a hexagon. So the P again is the points away from the circle. So Ito na po yun. So the investigator found out that a circle will be drawn every time P is added by a 6. So where P is equal to 0, so we can conclude that the figure form is a circle. So if the investigator also found out, or we found out, that a hexagon will be drawn every time P is added by 4 and 2 respectively and simultaneously where P is 1. So again, P is a points away, or it is the distance that you need to connect one point to another point. So the investigator found out again that star will be drawn every time P is added by 2 and 4 where P is 2. So every time P is 2, or the points away, or the points is connected 2 points away from that point, so the star will be drawn. So lastly, the investigator found out that a wheel-like figure will be drawn every time P is added by 6 where P is equal to 3. So this would be the number of points away. In circle would be 0. For hexagon, the number of points away is 1. For star, 2, and wheel-like, 3. So and so on and so forth. So the number of chords, when the number of points away for circle is 0, it would be 0. For hexagon, syempre nakita naman natin in the introduction that the chords form in hexagon figure is 6. For the star figure will be 6, and for the wheel-like, we have 3. So after looking for patterns, so we need to create or making a conjecture.
Conjecture number 1. If a number of points away from multiple of 6, then a circle will be formed. Conjecture number 2. If a number of points away is odd and it's not multiple of 3, then hexagon will be formed. Conjecture number 3. If the number of points away is even, it's not a multiple of 6 and 3, then the stars will be formed. Conjecture number 4. If a number of points away from the multiple of 3 and it's not a multiple of 6, then a wheel-like form will be formed. Conjecture number 5. If a number of points away of multiple of 6, then the number of chords of a figure is a 0. Conjecture number 6. If a number of points away of multiple of 3 and it's not a multiple of 6, then the number of chords of the figure are 3. Conjecture number 7. If a number of points away is not a multiple of 6, then 3, then the number of chords of a figure are 6.
So after making a conjecture, we need to test each conjecture. So let us try to join the 6 equally spaced point with 0 point away. So 1 point away, 2 points away, and 3 points away. So when the point is 0 point away, so we can create a circle. So if the points away is 1, so we will create a hexagon. So for conjecture 2, if the number of points away is multiple of 6 again, so we will create a circle because the point will connect to itself again. So for conjecture number 3, if the number of points away is odd and not a multiple of 3, so then a hexagon will be formed. So for conjecture number 4, if the number of points away is even and it is not a multiple of 6 and 3, then a star will be formed. So for our conjecture number 5, if the number of points away is a multiple of 3 and it is not a multiple of 6, then a wheel-like figure will be formed. So for our conjecture number 7, if the number of points away is a multiple of 3 and it is not a multiple of 6, and then the number of chords of the figure are 3, then for our conjecture number 8, if the number of points away is not a multiple of 6 and 3, then the number of chords of the figure are 6. So for the stage 6, we have generalization or conclusion. So what if the 6 equally spaced point has been joined in a counterclockwise direction. So a while ago, the points away are connected in clockwise direction. So for generalization or conclusion, so what if the points away are connected counterclockwise? So the investigators have found out that the result from the clockwise direction is the same with joining the points in a counterclockwise direction. The results are as follows. So when the given 6 equally spaced points are joined in a counterclockwise direction, the figure formed in a clockwise direction are still formed. So this figure are the following. So circle, hexagon, star, and wheel-like figures. So when a point is joined to any number that is multiple of 6 points away to another point, a circle will be drawn. So when a point is joined to any number that is odd and not a multiple of 3 points away to another point, a hexagon will be formed. So when a point joined to any number that is even and it is not a multiple of 6 and 3 points away to another point, a star will be formed. So lastly, the investigator have found out that when a point is joined to any number that is multiple of 3 and is not multiple of 6 points away to another point, so a wheel-like figure will be drawn. So for stage 7, the extension.
Investigate the number of region for in the circle. A region is of a space in the shape that is either separated by the lines or it's surrounded by the lines, and it also includes and outside the shape. Investigators will try to investigate how to make the regions will be formed in different figures.
So in this extension, we will know how many regions will be formed for each figure. So the 4 figures that we have mentioned a while ago. So for the figure of circle, so as you can see, there is no line that divides the figure, so we can create one chord. So for hexagon naman po, sorry, lumabas yung iba. Ito po yan, yung chords niya po is this one. So 1 point away, so it was been divided by this point. So we can consider this one as a chord. So for hexagon figure, so we can create a 7th region. So for star naman po, so as you can see here, so from the star, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 chords. So for wheel-like naman po, so the lines are connected or intersect at the center, so it divides the figure circle into 6 regions. So in the investigation conducted by the investigator, so we discovered that there are various number of regions formed in every figure. So investigator form 1 region in circle, so followed by 7 regions in hexagon, 13 regions in star, and 6 regions in wheel-like. So in conclusion, the number of regions formed may vary depending on what kind of figures were formed. So for the last stage of this investigation, so we have a modeling. Pangit lang talaga yun. So it is a Christmas decor embroidery. So a creative twist on embroidery with yarn and cartoon. So dito naman po is I have planned talaga a while ago na Christmas decor embroidery as innovative and festive way to explore geometric shapes by connecting points in a circle. So this embroidery project takes a break from traditional materials like cloth, needles, and thread and introduces an exciting twist by using cartoon glitters and yarn to create a Christmas decor pattern. So the goal is to connect the points in such a way that different shapes emerge based on how many steps you skip between the points. So here